Hi Omar, how are you? Hi Dara. I don't very well and you? Fine but I think about what I do when and finish my work. When will you start your own company? I am going to start. I am born this year. First, I am going work in mining to raise funds so I can start my company like in my feet. You already took about everything you're going to accomplish and you do me take when you finish your reg your thought. But which country will it be? Yes, I am going to the United States where my uncles are but with be 2 years of finish my drive I name I I like to be to raise money sensing to economy ser grown more anti future. I story everything think Terry Hidara and having you told about going go in company doing too well because of the crime and where are your children? Yes, company. I am from Peru. Yes, I am going to work in Mexico. I heard the economic situation there is very good in the no con I feel big say because of the crime and where are young I have children. Yes, I am having 2 children but I would be if have a very strong economy and compromising with a good quality of life in 5 years. That's great, but I have a question. What do you think you'll do in the next 55, 25 years? I infinitely be industrial and mining staff engineer, BT and I probability manages a very large industrial company, enforcing state regulation and for lives and working time finish tomorrow. I like science and final exam to pass science semester. You can wait after and dedication but till my safety and are young going to start a family. I probably will. I am person to go as always talk into no good to el nove. I am always want a story and family. First look for I am fake folk and I start finding money to be on fix house I am city. I am start saving the money in thing I am personally got stake to private to this possibly quality of life for those I love. I love. Great food ways you stay with marrying here sure I won't with marrying I don't in reality it leaks in fact it rather travel to work with while the money is to study thing inside. Kono marriage is important books traveling the world is actual better and more full. It really hope hope you achieve your goals and remember that your high coming finish. Definitely yes. I am still the goals are achieved in the next 20, 10 and 50 years. Thank you.